Okay, I just want to make a simple theory I've got. Scientists have been saying for a long time that the universe started from a point of singularity, and all of a sudden everything like started going out, all the galaxies, okay, this is pretty crude, galaxies, but anyway, it just all started going out like crazy. And this was called, of course, as we all know, the Big Bang. Okay. Now, everywhere we look, like say that our galaxy is right here, the Milky Way. Okay. Whatever direction we look, like if there's a galaxy here, here, but they all appear to be going away from us. Okay, it's like this one's moving away from us, and this one's moving away from us even faster. Okay. Now, my theory is really simple. I think that they've got the Big Bang backwards. Because I think, say this is a black hole, make it a little bit bigger, and say we're right here, our galaxy, the Milky Way, and then there's another galaxy here, another galaxy here that seems to be moving away from it. Okay. Well, if you take, and this stuff is being drawn into the black hole, then from our perspective, everything is going to be moving away from us. Except it makes sense because we're being pulled into something instead of in the theory they've got about why the farther off they look, the faster the expansion is occurring. Okay, that makes no sense, because if it started here and exploded, then why would it be speeding up everything the farther off you look? My theory makes much more sense, because we're in fact being pulled into something. But our point of view would be the same. That's what we're seeing. Instead of it expanding, it's being drawn in by the force of gravity. And that eliminates all this theoretical dark matter and dark energy that's making everything expand between the galaxies, because it don't make no sense. What does make sense that we know about is, we know how a black hole works. We know once something starts going into a black hole that, speed is what sets time and stuff. Space and time are connected, as Einstein proved. So this is what makes sense to me. Now, I might be wrong. Of course, I think we're all inside some bigger building block. Like, say these are atoms, and we're just so minute, like, to say this is electrons or subatomic particles inside an atom. I think our whole universe is just like one of those little small subatomic particles in a much larger web of a structure. I don't know what, but and the black holes, that's the reason for them, is it's the transfer of energy. Just like if you could look at stuff inside of an electron and stuff, the energy and stuff has to go transfer some way. So it's transferring through a black hole. On our scale of things, that's the way we perceive. We call it a black hole. And this might be going on inside the stuff that makes us up, and it might just be a never-ending in every direction. I mean, there might not be no how far down can you go, or how large can something go? It's all just perspective. And our 13.5 billion year old universe, at this scale, it would just be like a nanosecond on the scale of this larger universe that we're in, that we're inside. But it all just, it makes sense to me. But like I said, it's never going to be able to be proven. And that's the fun thing about science. Everybody's theories is just as good as another person's, because no one knows, and we will never be able to prove it either way. So anyway, I hope this just makes you think. I was just thinking about that just now, and I thought I would put my theory out here.